with, or let's continue with line 21. The whom. Their or them. Mathalu is same as. Likeness. Okay. Based on the dictionary kan? Okay, good. Kamathali. Okay. As or like. Mathali is the same as that. Okay. Alladhi. Who is relative pronoun. Who. One who. Okay. Istawqada. Alif sinta. Okay. So you have alif sinta. You can make it 1 or you can make it 2. It's up to you. Okay. Then waqada. Set or kindle a fire. Dah cakap. Okay. Kindle. Next one. Naran is fire. How do you hack that? So nun alif ra, is there an il letter alif? So alif is either waw or ya. Okay, waw or ya. So nar dengan nur sama roots. Alright, next. Fa. Okay. This is so and this is when. Adaat. Past tense for conjugation number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Conjugation number 10, which is referring to she ataupun it. What tense is it? Past tense. Past tense. Even though there's Anita here, but this are is a past tense are. You will know more about that next week when we do verb hacking. So this one is prefix, right? So you are left with da'a. What's the meaning of da'a? Okay, illuminate. Okay, how do you hack dal, alif, hamzah? So the alif is actually waw or ya. Okay. What? Okay, next. Who? Him or it. Him or it. Haula. Okay. Around. Haul. Setahun sekali. No, it shares the roots. So there's a common meaning there. So the year has come one round. Okay, so we have a howl. Okay, translate.
Likeness is as the likeness of one who kindle a fire. So when it lighted, what around him?
What around?
Him.
Ma haulahu. Okay, okay. Him. Falamma adaa'at lahum mathalun kamathali allazi istawqada nara falamma adaa'at ma hawlahu Okay, around it. Around it. This one goes back to ma. Okay, this one in the fourth month you will learn grammar. So you will learn what goes back to what. Okay, this one is it, goes back here. And this one, as you said, when it eliminates, this one goes back to the nar. Okay, so their likeness is as the likeness of one who kindles a fire. And when the fire, this is back to the fire, and when the fire illuminates what is around itself, okay, that is literal. This is a metaphor, so it's not easy to really understand. You really have to read the whole context of the chunk of verses. Okay, who's 22? Took away.
So it's a past tense.
Past tense, good.
There's no Anita and three, so it's either he or it. So it's Allah.
It's Allah. So he referring to Allah as the subject. Okay.
Because of the Dhamma. Right?
Yeah, that's the fourth month one. Grammar. Because of the Dhamma. Yes. So one easy way to know whether something is a subject or not is when you see a Dhamma. So this is the subject of the verb, but it doesn't work all the time. Okay, that is just one way. So Allah took away binurihim.
Him is going down is something. Dia. Nur is Nur. Then Ba is the
Particle. Okay.
yellow.
Yellow.
Then now Nur. So in the dictionary, I can only find alif, alif, which is fire.
Fire. You can find nur.
It's inside. It's within fire.
Yeah, it's within fire.
So it's not on its own.
It's not on its own. So that's why we said that nur and nar share the same roots. Okay. So
Which one is the weak one? Is it the alif?
Weak one.
Why are they like sharing? Because the fire and the root word is nun, alif, and ra. Right?
Yeah.
Then
So this you going to the tasawwuf. No, this one doesn't apply to what I said as the alif waw ya. Alif is the strongest. No, it's not. This one is not about that.
So why are they like in the same, considered the same root? Is it because waw and alif is the same level?
It's like this. I don't think I can answer your question actually, but to go back to nar and nur, when you see nar and then you see nur, for our class sake, we are saying that this alif is actually waw or ya, right? And this waw is actually waw or ya. Okay, what does this mean? This means that both words share the same meaning because they are in the entry of waw. They share the common meaning. What's the meaning that you get?
Nara, to shine.
To shine. So both shine, right? So the light shines, and the fire shines. Yeah, one is waw and one is alif. If you want to go to deeper aspect,
I mean, the deeper part is the previous sentence. Which is the fire is removed, correct?
The fire is removed.
But the warmth is still there.
The what?
Warmth, the light is removed.
The light is removed.
But the warmth of the fire is still there.
How do you know? Where's the warmth here?
Took away the light, right, from the fire.
No, there's no warmth. Ah, okay. Oh, okay. I don't know whether we should go there or not. I just realized that nar and nur is referring to the same thing here. I thought it was referring to the different thing, to a different thing. Because if we translate back, diorang ni macam orang yang nak hidupkan api. Lepas tu bila diorang dah hidupkan dan api tu dah menyala, Allah ambil balik the light. So, yeah. Kat sini nar, sini nur.
So there's only burn without light.
Yeah, actually I don't know.
Burning without light.
But I don't know.
So the light is removed, but the burn is there.
I don't know, maybe. This one I
It's one of the tafsir.
one of the tafsir. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We won't prolong into that lah. Because I also haven't checked. But good point, it makes me want to check. Okay, next.
It's not in that book that I refer to.
It's not.
It's not. That is tasawwuf. This is another.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's continue. Aywa.
So what is n?
And
Who is suffix?
suffix.
Taraka is there, which is to live.
This one is
Past tense. And left then. Fi is a particle in, meaning in. And zulumat.
Aywa.
Alifta is a plural. With left zulan, which is darkness.
Darkness.
Then la is a particle. Gathering. Then yubasirun, wawnun, and ya. Jesus.
Which means?
In.
Uh-huh.
And Dia.
Dia.
Person.
Third person.
Basara. Sin.
C.
Sin.
Okay.
Sumun is death.
Deaf. What's the root here?
So min.
Sod mim mim. Okay, good. Meaning?
So Allah took away from their life and left them in darkness. They cannot see.
In a state that
Understand?
okay, they can't see. Okay, deaf, and then deaf. Okay, did you find Dhahaba in the dictionary? You didn't.
Yeah, I did.
You did, right? So that's why you got took away, right? So this is additional information which we will cover later, but I will just tell you now. If you notice, usually the ba will change meaning, right? Ba change the width. You don't use the width. You use something else. Sometimes the ba is not even translated. It's not even translated. Okay. So in this one, Allah took away their light. Okay, you don't say Allah took away with their light, right? So Allah took away their light. So in this sense, one way to know whether this B is translated or not is when you look at the dictionary. If you look at Dhahaba, for example, I'm not sure whether it's in there, but try to look. Open Dhahaba. I will also look at Dhahaba and then try to find Dhahaba B. It's page 53. Page 53. Dhahaba, AOR, aurist, mudhari'. Now, when you ask, I didn't know, you know. Sheikh, I have to check. And then I found in Lane's dictionary, Edward Lane's dictionary, it puts AOR is aurist, which means mudhari'. And then A means the mudhari' is barisata. So dhahaba yadhhabu instead of dhahaba yadhhibu or dhahaba yadhhubu. And then you see, to go, if dhahaba comes after it ila, it means to go with. If dhahaba comes after it with an, it means to go away or to depart with. But if dhahaba comes with B, it means to take away. There's no with. Okay, or if you want to translate it as go away with. Alright, so that's how you see whether the B or any other particle for that matter that comes after any fi'l, whether it's translated or not, or what meaning is it translated to. In the fourth month, when we take grammar, we will learn how particles, in this case they call it in Arabic harfu jar, how particles cling to what is before it. So you have to identify the clinging point. So dhahaballahu binurihim, the clinging point here is B, is clinging to dhahaba. So you have to translate dhahaba based on the clinging point before it. Okay, this one will be in the fourth month. So yeah, so the translation will be Allah took away their light and left them in utter darkness. Why I say utter darkness? Because alif ta is plural, so you don't say darknesses, you say something like utter darknesses, in a state that they don't, which left them in a state that they can't see, they do not see. Okay, they do not see. Okay, this see when you read the Quran, when Quran says see, it doesn't necessarily mean see physically. Okay, dah jadi Ibn Ajibah tu lah. Okay, who's next? Wanna try? 23?
Yeah,
Dam. Okay, right.
Woman is blind.
Dumb, blind. Okay, this one is straightforward because it's just 3 roots. Okay, Fahum.
Her is so and already. Whom is they?
Whom is they? Good.
La is not.
You're so sharp. So when it's a subject, it's not a prefix, eh? They. La is not. Yarji'un.
Okay, the noun at the end is they all. And the ya here says is a present tense.
Good.
So it's return.
Return. Okay. Go on.
Okay, our is all. Here I'm guessing. I think it's like.
Okay. You're right.
Swahili is a green cloud.
Rain cloud.
That's the definition I got.
How do you hack that?
So, ya and ba. So, yeah, so ya ba.
So, how many letters are there?
There are 4.
4, right? So, what are the 4 letters?
Swat, ya, ya
Sod, ya,
ba.
ba. Okay. Sod, ya, ba. Which one is the affix?
It's the middle ya.
The middle ya. Both are middle ya. You mean this one?
Left side.
Left side. No. It's the second one. It's the first one.
It's the first ya.
It's the first one. Okay. This one, when we go to noun hacking, then it will be clearer. This is actually soyib. Soyib, or soib. So it's alif here, and when it's sort of regular use, it becomes soyib. Soyib, soib becomes soyib. So originally is this. Okay, go on.
Mim is from. Al is the. Sama, I got the definition is heaven. Or from the sky.
Okay, hack that.
Okay. Sin mim, okay. We have sin mim, alif. Alif. Because of the mat, is it? And you have hamza.
So what's the root?
I think it's sin mim hamza.
Sin mim hamza. Ah, good one. And so the alif is an
Alif is in
affix. Okay, alif is an affix. The meaning is sky, but if you want to go further than that, sama in your word hacker is the rhyme is fa'al, sama, fa'al, lofty place. Okay, so sin mim. Okay, this one I need to say now. Sin mim hamza. What? This hamza is actually wow. Oh yeah. Okay, because you won't find sin mim hamza, right? It's like sin mim alif. You won't find sin mim alif. So it's in sin mim waw. As usual, it is reflected as sin mim alif in the dictionary because it's always reflected as alif, but actually it's a waw. Sama, samawat, bismillah, and when we go to noun hacking, sama is it rhymes with fa'al, which is verb, which is verbal noun, and verbal noun you plus the root plus the verbal noun. The root is samawa, which means high. Okay, and verbal noun is ing or ness here. For this case, highness. So the sort of original meaning is, or like the rain cloud from the highness. Yeah, from the sky lah maksudnya. Okay, so sama is highness.
Why in this part, the soyib is breakdown as soya, and then this part, the sin is not breakdown as sin, because of the
This sabdu is referring to the al shamsiyah. Not this sabdu is not a hackable. I mean, it's not an affix lah. Have I told you that any sabdu that comes after al, you don't hack? Okay, two things you don't hack. You don't hack a sabdu after al, because this sabdu is not a letter. It is just a phonetical indication that shows that you have to instead say as-sama and not say al-sama. So basically, asalnya originally it's al-sama. Then you have to, because it's not light and language is light, so you have to lighten it. Al-sama jadi as-sama. So this sabdu is just a phonetical subdue to simplify the pronunciation. So this is not hacked. Another thing that is not hacked is alif that comes after tanwin baris atas. This thing. You don't hack this, right? You don't hack this alif. Because this alif is just to show that there is a fathatain before it. Okay, so those two you don't hack. Fihi, next one. In it or him. Okay. Interim translation.
From the part from Sulu, will be deaf, dumb, and blind. So they cannot return.
Okay.
The next part would be, it sounds sometimes, or like a rain cloud from the sky in it.
In it. Okay. So if you look at the bigger picture, it's the conjunction. It's relating to here. Okay. Their likeness is like someone or like a rain cloud. Okay. 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 24.
The suffix is alita,
Uh-huh.
so the word is rola.
Uh-huh.
So it means darkness.
Okay. Same as the one there. Okay.
After darkness. Wa and
Mm-hmm.
rock roll is the verbal noun for thunder.
Thunder. Okay. Okay.
And wa is also important.
Uh-huh.
And balkon is the root is bawa,
Mm.
which is verbal noun
Wah, sekarang dah main verbal noun For what?
for lightning.
Lightning. Okay. Go on.
Jajalun, the suffix is jalun,
Uh-huh.
the prefix is ya. Jalun means telling either di or dia.
Ah.
Ya tells me is third person. Jala means make.
Make. Okay.
Sabiahu.
Mm-hmm.
So sabiah is plural actually.
Okay. Good. Plural. Where's the indication of plural there?
Is alif
Uh-huh. Which is Hamza.
and hamzah and alif kecil. So alif kecil. Yeah. So the root is sodahan.
Uh-huh.
It means I think I took the root to the wrong
Uh-uh.
to the wrong root.
Wrong root. Okay.
I will translate it as was soba.
Oh, okay. No. It's Soba.
So
Okay.
the
Whom?
wrong meaning.
Whom?
Whom means them,
Mm-mm. Them or?
their.
Their. Okay, go on.
He is in.
In.
So then
Mm-mm.
there are two infix.
And they are?
There are the two alifs.
Two alifs. Two alifs.
Yeah. This one and the other after the hamzah.
After the Hamza. Okay.
So because the root is hamzah zal dengan nun.
Which means?
Which the root I forgot. I only took the adan, which means declaration.
Ah. Okay.
The word means declaration.
Okay. Him.
Him is dia or them or dia.
Okay. Them or their.
Min is from.
From.
Sawa'ib, the alif lam is the what do you call this?
Prefix.
The particle, the prefix is,
Uh-uh.
and then the waw, after the waw there's alif.
Uh-huh.
Alif is so actually both the waw and the alif is a infix.
Good.
So the root is soft, fine, pop.
Are you what?
It means the stunning noise as of a thunderbolt.
Okay. Okay. So when some words, or maybe most words, when you find the root, you go to Saba'a, you get the root meaning. But if you want to make a shorter cut, when you go to Saba'a, you get the root meaning, and then you go to the Asabi', which is the fuller word, and you'll get the exact meaning. Okay, and if you go there, you will get the meaning as fingers. Usbu', asabi'. Usbu' is the singular, and asabi' is the plural. Okay, I'm just saving time telling you the meaning. So when you have time, you just going straight to the kamus. Adhan, same thing. You go to Hamza Dhal Nun, you will get the root meaning. But when you go down, you will get Adhan itself, which means
Declaration. Declaration.
no, that is Adhan.
Yes.
That is Adhan. Allahu Akbar, Allah, declaration of prayer time. But this is Adhan,
Yes.
ears. This is the plural of udhunun. Dalam sekolah Arab ni, ainun, mata, udhunun, telinga. Yeah. So udhunun is telinga, ear, and adhanun is ears. So this is ears. Sawa'iq. You go to Sad Ain Qaf, you will find a root meaning, and you go down, you will find sawa'iq is the plural of sa'iqah. Okay, sa'iqah. I'm not sure. Can someone find the word sa'iqah exactly means? I think it's thunder.
Standing noise of a thunderbolt.
Thunderbolt gitu kan. So someone check sawa'iq exactly what? Exactly as? What?
The stunning noise as of a thunderbolt.
Okay. Okay, let's just put thunderbolts. Oh, that is already the meaning. Okay, sorry. I thought that's the root. Okay.
The root is to strike you lightning.
Okay, all right. Okay, sorry. Okay, interim translation.
Okay, so it's all like the rain cloud from the heavens. In it is darkness and thunder and lightning. So
Ada lenggut dia.
they make their fingers.
There's also place of put in the dictionary. Okay, good.
They place their fingers in their ears from the stunning noise of the thunderbolt.
Okay, okay. Yeah, you got that right. You got that right. Okay. Who's 25? You're 25. Okay. Let's do 25 since we have space here. Can you read for me first? Hadar al-maut. Okay. Hadar al-maut. Lagi? Is that all? Okay. Begin. Fear. Fear. Okay. Good. Next. Maut is death. Okay. Allah is one who encompasses or comprehends. One who? Where do you get the one who? Mu, eh? So one who? Encompasses or comprehends. Okay, encompasses. How do you hack high apa? The year, right?
Sorry?
The year, right?
Okay, I got actually both.
So that is also wow, is it?
Yeah.
Wow and yeah. Mhm.
This one is in yeah, I think it's
Mhm.
I can't tell.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. You've got it actually. Encompasses is correct. Okay, whether it's wow or yeah, that's a deeper knowledge to know. Okay, go on.
The B here, I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether it has a meaning, but I just say with.
Mm-hmm.
And then Al-Kafirin is the unbelievers.
Hack that.
Okay. The Alif Kecil is the infants.
You call it alif kecil eh? Someone else also say alif kecil. You say alif kecil. What you say alif kecil?
That's what I learned from my son here.
Ah.
You share.
So alif besar apa? Ah? Sorry? Huruf mat. Oh, so alif mat lah gitu eh? Oh, alif mat tu alif kecil. Ah, okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm just curious. Okay, next.
And the Darul behind
Mm-hmm.
is a plural.
Plural. Okay, good.
So Kafara is
The disbelievers. Okay. All right. Go on.
okay, the next one I had difficulty. I found it. It's on page 128.
Ah.
I read it, I don't understand it. And the verse is there. Yeah, Yakadu Bahu, Yahtum. It's there. But it's something to do with all but.
All but.
I can't figure it.
Okay, all but. We'll just put all but.
Al is the.
Wait, hack first. Yakadu.
So Alif Dal.
Kaf alif dal. Okay, so you're left with?
And then
Yeah.
Is it a present tense?
Yeah, of course.
Allah is the lightning.
Lightning. Okay, go on.
The lightning.
Uh-huh.
Yahtuhu is this one is he snatches away.
Snatches. Okay. Hack that.
The ya is the prefix.
Okay, good.
Yahtuhu, that is the
Snatches away. Okay.
And actually the next word that comes in line 26 is abaswaruhum, and that is their sight.
Their side. Okay. Who's 26? No one? All done, right? All done. Okay. Okay, can you translate again?
Okay, can you help me start from the previous line?
Oh, that's quite.
That is it's a
Yeah. Or like a rain cloud from the sky, in it is darkness and thunder and lightning in their ears.
from the stunning noise of the thunderbolts,
Okay,
fearing their death.
good. Fearing death.
Fearing death. And Allah is one who encompasses the unbelievers, the disbelievers.
Okay.
The next one is he all but snatches away their sight. And that's the thing, I don't know how to hack the letter.
Yakadu maknanya hampir, almost, all but. Maybe this is 1897 punya English.
What part of speech is this? Is it a verb?
It's
an adverb, is it?
no. It's a verb. It's called fi'l naqis. It's an incomplete verb. Incomplete verb because it doesn't have a subject. So hampir doesn't have a subject. Okay. So you say dia hampir. Dia tu bukan pelaku untuk hampir. You don't say dia as the actor for hampir. Okay. But But in terms of form, this is a verb. So it's an incomplete verb. This one we will cover in fourth month. Okay. Naqis, fi'l naqis. Min akhawat kana. Kana wa akhwatuha. Kana dan kakak-kakaknya dan adik-adiknya. Kana verb to be, right? So this is like verb to be. Right? Verb to be doesn't have actors. They have nouns that come after them, which are called the nouns of the verb that comes after them. Okay? We are fast today. I think we can finish 20, but I need to write. So we take a short break.